In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to design pie charts in Figma. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Figma. First, open Figma and head into the file where you want to build your chart. You can work on any canvas or frame you already have. The goal here is to create a clean, editable pie chart that you can quickly adjust for different data. Look toward the shape tools in the toolbar. That's where you'll find all the basic shapes you can draw. Select the ellipse tool from that menu. Using the ellipse ensures you get a perfectly smooth circle and gives you access to Figma's arc controls, which are what turn a circle into a pie slice. Now click and drag on the canvas while holding the Shift key. Holding Shift locks the proportions, giving you a perfect circle rather than an oval. Once the circle is drawn, look closely at its edge. You'll see small arc handles that appear along the rim. Those are the magic controls. Click and drag one of those handles around the edge of the circle, and you'll see the shape convert from a full circle into a pie slice. With the slice visible, pay attention to the arc settings. Figma provides controls for the start angle and the sweep. The sweep determines how big the cut is or how large the slice should be. Drag to increase or decrease that sweep until it matches the portion you want. The start control rotates the slice around the center, letting you position each segment exactly where it needs to go. If you prefer precision, you can type specific degree values in the right-hand panel so your slices accurately represent your data. Take a moment to fine-tune your first slice. If you need to resize the overall pie without changing its shape, scale it while holding Shift so it stays perfectly circular. If you want to keep it centered as you resize, hold Alt as well. Once you're happy with the first piece, duplicate it. Copy and paste so the new slice lands in the same position. With the duplicate selected, change its color in the fill panel to differentiate it, then adjust the start and sweep to create the next segment. Repeat this process, duplicating, recoloring, and setting angles until your chart adds up to a full 360 degrees. A handy tip is to keep track of totals. After setting a slice's sweep, set the next slice's start to the previous slice's start plus its sweep. So segments align perfectly with no gaps. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.